So when are we having any Globers coming to show their belief in gravity is real? So I guess we can accept it. The Globes just don't have any balls to defend their belief system.
Well,
I think
apparently,
they've given
Sean
up,
already
guys.
won 2 debates with you, Keith.
I think they've
And where he can't.
they've realized they've lost. I guess that's it. They've realized they've lost.
I don't know, man. Luca and ChatGPT took us down tonight. They really destroyed it.
I haven't heard anything from any of the anti-flat earthers in a while, like McToon or Craig.
And
That's
they've gotten real quiet. What's going on with that?
It's because nobody's really giving them content anymore. If you don't give them content, then they can't really do anything, can they? They try to scrape together content where they can, but yeah, make it difficult for them.
Conspiracy Music Studios is still out there.
Yeah, and he's
Tells me I'm young. That's a good. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. I appreciate it really.
Is it